Hi guys, today we are going to solve day 14 challenge of 30 days of code. The name of the challenge is scope. So let's get started. The problem asks us the largest absolute difference between any two integers in an array called elements. Okay. Our task is to create a constructor in a difference class. But there's a constructor in a difference already, so the first task is done. We can put a check mark there, and the second is to define a compute difference method in a class, and it should the method should compute the largest absolute difference and initialize maximum difference variable with that value. Okay, so let's get started. Def compute difference. Okay, we have solved that. So we should define a variable called max. I'm going to call that mx. So what is the minimum absolute difference between two numbers? If two numbers are equal, let's say 100 and 100, then the absolute difference is it will be 0. So our minimum absolute difference is 0. Okay, so if we define this value as -1, it will be okay to solve this problem. So we are going to type a for in range of from 0th index to the line of self dot elements -1 for j in range I plus 1 len self dot elements. Okay, so the first loop goes from the 0th index to the last -1. Why? Because we are going to find all the absolute differences, and the second loop goes from I plus 1 to the last index. Okay, so let's define a variable called tmp. EBS is a built-in function. Self dot means I myself dot elements j. Okay, give me absolute difference of two numbers and store that number in a tmp variable, and find me maximum of mx and tmp. After the loops, we are going to say that mx to something else, to self dot maximum difference. Okay, Well done. We have finished coding. Let's run this code. There's a problem here. The problem is it should be equal, not minus. Okay. Run this code. Sample test cases are passed. Let's submit this code. Okay, we have submitted this. All results are right. So we have solved this problem. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to challenge yourself, please try a random challenge. See you in the next video. Bye.